the matching pant. Hello. So
Hello.
the Anchors Away French Terry 23-inch crop pant. So it's one inseam. It's a 23-inch inseam on this one. $52.98. That is the sale price. And your 3 easy payments are $17.66. It's A681271. These are adorable. Colors again match right on back to the sweatshirt.
Yes.
So lipstick red is what Angela has on, 5'9" in an extra large. White and dark navy. But guess what? We didn't leave off the bling. There's the bling on the right leg, right there with your anchor. And I love that it's down there.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little something here, a little something
Yeah.
there. And the fun thing too with this is this is our French terry once again. Pull on your waist, front pockets, nice straight leg. That 23-inch inseam works no matter your height,
That's right.
no matter how long your legs are. It just kind of hits, whether it hits you at the ankle or for me it would hit more mid-calf. It just depends on you. But this is that outfit, you get out of the pool in the summertime, you're making sure everybody has their hot dogs, their hamburgers, their drinks, this and that. You're tired. You don't want to swim anymore, but you still need to be there for your guests, right?
Yes, yes.
You throw this on.
It's true.
There's a little cool breeze in the air
Yeah.
at night. This is that fun outfit that you just throw on, and maybe we start the fire pit.
Maybe.
Because it's still a little cool out,
I can't wait
right?
to do that.
The heater on in the pool, the
Yes.
fire pit, fun. This is that fun outfit. But this is also that outfit, I don't know. For when I turned 50, I organized a girls' trip.
Nice.
We all went to the Dominican Republic.
Amazing.
Right? And so we had so much fun.
I bet.
Maybe you're doing the scrapbooking group. I was away last weekend scrapbooking.
Yes.
One of the gals that scrapbooks is a travel agent, and she books scrapbooking cruises.
Oh,
but you don't have to scrapbook. You can do either or, right?
Of course.
But this is what you wear,
Yeah.
sitting all day crafting,
Yeah.
and then going for lunch.
Yeah.
Or, whatever it is.
It's comfy.
It's comfy is my point exactly. And thank you for taking me right there.
No, it's comfy. Like literally, French terry, it is comfy. But what's nice is you still have that little bit of bling on the leg that we know and love this brand for. And I'm a girl who loves a little bit of bling. So whether you get the sweatshirt, listen, get the sweatshirt if you can. Let me tell you why. On an easy pay. So what's that, 17, 20, 40, 40, what is
Look at
it?
you doing
Under
that.
$40. It's under $40 for 2 pieces on an easy pay. That was quick maths.
That was
I just know it's
good.
under 40. So under $40 to get both of these home. That way you have a full-on outfit.
Yeah.
Great, perfect. 30, what did you say? About $36 and change. So this way, at least you have a full-on outfit, which means one less worry. When you go in that closet, it's busy, you got stuff to do. The last thing you want to do is pick out an outfit you know you can grab this and it's going to work.
100%.
Right? But then if you just want to get the pant, perfect. You throw the pant on with one of your essential tops, you're done. You're out the door. That's what's really nice about it. Look at that. You throw the sweatshirt on with the pair of the dream jeans, even better. Right? But it's just nice if you can to get both pieces home so you have that versatility and flexibility in your wardrobe, ladies. So I always say anytime there's a matching set, if you can, just pick up the matching set so you can have that,
We like to say that we're garanimals
Switch it up a little bit.
Garanimals for adults. You remember the garanimals?
I do remember them.
Yeah,
of
we should
course.
call it the Quackers for adults.
I love that.
Because everything, we put little tags on them, things match.
Thank you. I would want that. Literally, I wish my closet was like that. These are great. Angela has them on in the lipstick red. Once again, she is 5'9". There's only one length in these, one inseam, and that's that 23-inch inseam. So depending on how tall you are, that's just will depend on where they land. But pull-on styles, so easy. Only order of the year in these. They're great. They're French terry. These are going to be easy to wear in the summertime as well. Don't think you can't wear these in the summer and even through the fall.
Yeah.
You absolutely can.
They're cotton rich.
Cotton rich. That's really important. So that's, again, the dark navy. That's that gorgeous, fun lipstick red. I'm so happy that it's in red. And then here it is in your white. So if you're already thinking of something like red, white, and blue, we know we love to dress in red, white, and blue in the summertime. This is a fun way to kind of get your base going, and then you can accessorize with the other colors, right?
Yes.
Now we're gonna talk about this gorgeous caftan that Angel is wearing.